Welcome everyone. Here's another fascinating rare accessory set for Max Steel or for any 12-inch action figure. This is the NETEC Adventure Pack for explosives. Another really cool one that, of course, Max Steel, who was around for a while, also had a TV series made in terms of an animated series. And Mattel has tried to get this kicked off. I'm not sure how successful Max Steel was, but the enemy cave with rock blasting action. And it was on Warner Brothers Kids for a while. Let's see the back side of this. As usual, it has all the cool things. We'll see right here the... get it. Where's that? So it has the weapon holster. It has a blow-up rock pile. It has a detonator. It has the laser rifle, the blasting mask, chest harness with flip-out bio technology, meaning there's actually a little computer there. Again, this is kind of cool. This is the kind of stuff you see particularly from Mattel items, and the more sophisticated stuff that generally you don't see from G.I. Joe and the other stuff, which is just all military. Team up with the Agent Max Steel for awesome action and adventure with NTech Alert. Bioconstrictor is plotting to poison the world by unleashing a deadly snake attack. Your mission: locate the villain's secret hideout with BioLink computer and blow his plot to pieces with NETEC explosives. So it's quite interesting, and as you said, a unique actual set. It has a little push-down handle, and the actual has kind of these little explosives. We're going to open this up and look at it. We also have the... there's a lot of cool figures. The Cave Raider figure. We have the Python Fighter. There's the with the motorcycle. This is the blaster vehicle, and of course, there's Bioconstrictor, kind of cool looking villain, and of course, Cave Raider Adventure Pack. So it's quite interesting, and it's the usual stuff here. This came out in 2000. And it's a very, these are all very rare. I'm not sure how much, it's pretty difficult to find anything from Max Steel out there to any great extent. A lot of this was marketed overseas. I'm not sure how much of this was actually marketed internationally. How much got the United States, etc. Max Steel tended to be big in South America and outside the United States. You can see all this. As you said, really great packaging, great illustrations, etc. And, of course, all the accessories are great as well. I mean, the inside of these are made very well. And as you said, it's a new type of adventure. That's a little more action-based. And, of course, this is blowing things up, so I guess we can't say it's not weapons based. So let's open this up and look at it. Take all the stuff out of here. And of course, it's got the usual little description instructions with it. Okay, it shows you how to put on the harness, how to put on the face mask, how to attach the gun to the holster on the side, how to connect the actual everybody see that dynamite type figures. So this is pretty exciting stuff. Let's take a look at it. Here's the actual